Good morning students. As you know, we are doing the chapter of sources of business finance. And today's topic is sources of finance on the basis of ownership. As you know, every business enterprise, there are two sources of business finance. Means there are two types. Which are the two types of sources of business in any enterprise? One is owner's fund and other is borrowed fund. Now we will understand in detail about owner's fund and about borrowed fund. What is owner's fund? Owner's fund refers to the funds contributed by owners. Means any owner of any business entity or any enterprises invested some money to set up the business, and that money means we can say that was the initial money, and that initial money is called borrowed fund. As well as the accumulated profit of the company, any business entity does the work to earn the profit. The main thing is to earn the profit, because this is the financing activity, this is the business activity, and any business activity is to be done to earn the profit. Whatever the profit owners get at the end of the year, and that will also be called the owner's fund. Means I have explained two things in this context. The first one is whenever any businessman invested some money to set up a business, that money was initial money, and that the name of that money is also owner's fund. And in the end of the year, the profit is earned. If the profit is earned, it is not sure the profit will come. There may be loss also, but if the profit comes, the amount of that profit will also be called owner's fund. Okay, understood? The fund remains with the company. The profit and a part of profit and the money that was invested in the starting of the business has no liability, because the person who has started the money, invested the money for setting up the business, he has not taken loan from outside, so there is no liability to pay that amount. Okay. Now we will understand the main features of the owner's fund. The first one is sources of permanent capital, because there are different type of capital. We will understand in detail when we go through the chapter. But the money that was invested by the owner was not refundable. Okay. The owner's fund remains permanently invested in the business. It is not refundable like loan. If we took a loan from anywhere, we will have to pay that loan after a certain period, and not only this, we will have to pay the interest on that amount. But that was our own money, so there is no need to pay any type of interest or principal amount to anybody, because the whole amount is of the owner. A large part of owner's fund is used for acquiring fixed asset. From where this amount is come? This amount is come from the owners, and where it is invested, how it is used. It is used to purchase some assets. This type of finance is available for purposes throughout of life of business. The time is not limited in any business to refund that. We can use that money until we want to use. Provision of risk capital is the next point. the owner's fund is also known as the risk capital of business. As you know, in any business, the risk factor is always involved. If there is any type of risk, that risk can be overcome by the amount is invested by the owner. Means this is called owner's fund. As the return on the capital depends on the rate of earning of the company. In case company is incurring loss, suppose it is not sure the profit will come or loss may occur in the end of the year. If there is any type of loss, the company or business entity may suffer. At that time, that time was very difficult time for any company, any business. At that time, the owner's fund will help to overcome all types of business related problem. Okay. The next point is no security required. If we want to take a loan from the finance company, from bank, from outside, at that time we will put some security for taking loan. But if we want to, if we have invested the money, that was the owner's fund, there is no security is required. The next point is sources of owner's fund. The owner's fund comprises of share capital, retained earning, as we have discussed earlier. In this way, students, I think you have understood what is owner's fund and how it is important in any business. Now, the next source of business finance is borrowed fund. Now we will discuss this borrowed fund. Borrowed fund refers to the borrowing of the fund. What is borrowing? Borrowing is a kind of loan. We take the loan outside of our business, that is called borrowed fund. It includes all the funds available by way of loans, credit, etc. Now we will discuss the features of borrowed fund. The first important point is fixed time. If you take the loan from outside of your business, you will have to pay that loan amount because that amount is not of yours. That amount is of other persons. So the person who is giving the loan, he will want to take his loan, and not only this, you will have to pay the interest. So what time it will be taken? It will be ascertained at the time of taking loan. So the borrowed fund is raised by business firms for a specified period. You will have to define the period when you will refund that amount. These funds may be raised for short term, medium term or long term. This is the main point. The loans are of three types. One is short term loan, second is medium term loan, and third is long term. Now we will see the second point, which is security. If any business entity, or generally we can say if we want to take loan from anybody, they cannot simply provide that loan. They want to keep some security. On that security, on the basis of that security, they will provide you loan. Generally, firms can get borrowed funds against the security of assets. What companies do? Company put their assets as the pledge, and they can avail the amount of loan. Banks and financial institutions offers loans and different terms against the security. The loan is always obtained against the security. The third point is regular payment of interest. As we have discussed, we will have to pay the amount of interest on that amount which we have taken as loan. The next point is control. The borrowed fund security holders do not get the right to control and manage the activities of the business firm. Because that money we have taken from outside as a loan, we will use, we can use, but we have no full control. Because there is a certain period, and if we use that money as we want to use without thinking, the cost of the business, cost of the product may be high. So after thinking too much, we can use that money very cautiously. On the other hand, you have seen the owner's fund. At that time, you are free to use that money as you want. If that money is not refunded at that time, there will be no problem, because you will not have to pay any money. But the loans amount, borrowed money, you will have to make repayment, and not only this, you will have to pay the interest on that. So you will use that money very cautiously. The next point is sources of borrowed fund. What are the sources of borrowed fund? Sources of borrowed fund are debenture. Company can issue the debenture, and people who are interested to take the debenture, they will invest the money in purchasing the debenture, and the company will get the money. Of borrowed fund. Sources of borrowed fund are debenture, loan from commercial bank, loan from financial institutions, public deposits, incorporate deposit, trade credit, etc. Companies issue debentures and shares. Whenever company issue debenture, in that form they will get the money from the public. The persons, the public, the people who are interested to invest their money in the company, they purchase the debenture and invested the money in the company. In this way, company gets the money from debenture, and most of the banks want to give the loan because that was the main source of the banks. They can earn the profit. Because what does the bank do? What does any bank do? The main function of the banks are accept the deposit and giving the loan. Whenever they accept the deposit, they provide some interest to the people, but that rate is very low. And on the other hand, when they give the loan to other person, they charge the interest in a very high rate. In this way, we can say the interest is the main source of banks earning. They earn through the rate of interest. So every bank is interested to give the loan, but they see the person who is taking the loan from the bank, that person is capable to refund that loan. Banks don't want to take any risk, so they provide the loan against any security. Okay, most of the company give their assets as security and they can take the loan. There are different types of the methods to taking the loan from outside, and these loans amounts are called borrowed fund. So students, I think you have understood two main sources of any business finance. The first one is owners and borrowed fund. Okay.